Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language on the Heyday application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my farm, and yes, I have chickens, bakeries, house and others. And new, if you want to set the language of the game, click to the three line at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the third option, the settings, and here you can find the third button, the language. Click that and you can find different language: English, Deutsch, Netherlands, Korean, Japanese and others, and just select one and click to the selected language. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.